Industrial dust. Everybody hates it. It clogs your pipes and filters. It creates unhealthy working conditions for operators. And ATEX equipment is so expensive. But have you ever realized that all that dust is actually wasted product and valuable resources? All of it leading to more downtime, higher maintenance costs, and unnecessary inefficiencies. Too many manufacturers accept the status quo. They assume a dusty work environment is normal and part of the job. Regular maintenance rounds are part of the daily routine. Unexpected downtime is part of the deal. And the only solution is a standard, off-the-shelf system. Luckily, there can be another way. You do not need to accept underperforming dust collection anymore. And you can ask suppliers to give guarantees on performance in advance, based on a thorough pre-engineering study from JOA, including measurements, air technical modelling, site visits and extensive design and engineering. JOA can guarantee optimal performance in advance and give you peace of mind when buying a new dust collection system. Nobody dives as deep as JOA to ensure you increase your site's operational performance and lower OPEX. Many leading manufacturers have already found their way to JOA. Do you also think your site deserves a truly tailor-made solution for dust emissions? Share your challenge and start improving your site, with a clear plan leading to smooth operations, ensuring reduced waste, lower energy costs and happy operators. Contact JOA Air Solutions. We think before we build.